In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start dropshipping on Facebook Marketplace. We'll walk through a simple practical workflow so you can list products, make sales, and have your supplier handle fulfillment while you keep the profit. The model is straightforward. You list a product, a buyer places an order, your supplier ships the item, and you pocket the difference. You don't hold inventory, which keeps your risk low and your startup costs minimal. First, secure a reliable supplier. You can work with domestic marketplace sellers, local wholesalers, or direct suppliers, as well as international options like well-known dropshipping platforms. Whatever you choose, prioritize fast shipping, strong reviews, and consistent product quality. A small test order is a smart way to verify shipping speed, packaging, and accuracy before you scale. Also confirm whether the supplier can ship directly to your customers, and if relevant in your area, support cash on delivery. Next, choose products that actually sell. Focus on items with clear demand, especially those that solve everyday problems, are easy to ship, and fall within an affordable range like P100 to P1000. Great examples include beauty tools, home organizers, and small gadgets. Steer clear of bulky, fragile, or brand-restricted items that can lead to higher costs or customer complaints. Now create your marketplace listing. Go to Facebook, open Marketplace, and select Create Listing. Write a strong keyword-rich title customers would search for, add clean, well-lit photos or short videos, and craft a benefits-focused description that answers common questions up front. Size, color options, what's included, and typical delivery times. Set a competitive price that aligns with what buyers already see on Marketplace. For pricing strategy, start from your supplier's cost, say P200, and list at around P350 to P500, depending on demand and competition. Your profit is the difference. But remember to factor in shipping, platform fees where applicable, packaging, and potential discounts so you're not surprised later. When a buyer messages, move quickly and professionally. Confirm the order details, collect payment or arrange COD, place the order with your supplier, and ensure it ships to the buyer. Use clear templates for faster replies, double-check the address and variant, and provide tracking when available. For delivery, you can have the supplier ship directly or receive the item first and then ship it yourself. Many sellers use COD via courier. Whichever route you choose, communicate timelines clearly and keep buyers updated. Don't rely on a single listing. Post multiple products